So Saturday the 18th, we have another day where we feel so much. And sometimes we can feel like, okay, this is the end. I've had enough of this. And today you can make decisions that really change the destination of your life. You're very powerful, and you have to have some courage to take these decisions, but you do feel like, I cannot hold this any longer. If I keep on doing that, it's really breaking my nerves. It's really like, it's breaking me. So I have to do it. So out of love and care for yourself and whatever is not feeling right, and it will have an impact on your life, but you are the most important person of your life, and you want to take good care of yourself, and you want to really take good care of your nervous system. And that nervous system, it's really at its limits today. So release, release, release. Let go of extra tension. Do some shaking. Humming is very relaxing to the nervous system. And really get it out of there. Get it out of your system. Just shake it out and let it go. Breathe it out. And maybe some dancing, some movement, Don't keep it within you. Let it go. Whatever it is, you can let it go. Trust your gut feeling. And you know what it is that you have to let go. Even if it's painful. It's more painful to stay in the situation and to keep carrying that heaviness. So drop your heaviness. Doesn't mean you have to drop the whole thing, but you just drop the heaviness of it. And then you feel lighter. You can feel all the layers underneath and above. And you're very sensitive today, so just let it go. And take good care of yourself. The Jugad numerology system is connected to Kundalini Yoga. And there's one exercise in Kundalini Yoga that is very, very good for the nervous system, and it's called Satkriya. You can look it up on the internet. Satkriya. You only have to do it for 3 minutes, and it will really help you to strengthen your nervous system, because we have not learned how to strengthen our nervous system. So this Kriya, it's Kriya, and after it you have to relax. But it's really helping you to strengthen it. So I hope that it might inspire you to empower you to know that there are tools that are available for you, for everyone, that you can do so your nervous system is going to be stronger. And you can deal with the tension better and better each day, step by step.